Hello friends, myself Bala. I am SEBI certified research analyst. This video I am going to share you about Nifty option strategies which we can use for intraday as well as positional. Okay, mainly we are using this strategy for positional kind of trades, and I'm going to analyze what are the probability of trades, so which will having a less risk and more profit, that I'm going to explain this video. And anyone who new to my YouTube channel, uh, you can subscribe my channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And anyone who want to learn my advanced options trading strategy, so we are teaching our advanced options trading strategy here, and around five options trading strategies which are edged based of trading strategies that we are teaching on our paid lessons, that is online course, so one-to-one basis. So anyone who interested to take my online course, you can also contact. It's a one-to-one basis course, and you are going to learn about 5 option trading strategies. With all these trading strategies are edging based. It is entirely different from what we are discussing on our YouTube videos. It is totally different from our YouTube videos. So that is a new strategy, and also it is a paid strategies. Okay, so let's move on to the video. And anyone want to learn my things, and this is my number, so you can contact me through this number by WhatsApp or either phone call. Okay, so let's do on the strategy. So what we are going to take about option strategy. So the currently trading Nifty, we have already seen that Nifty 9842 is the Nifty price. So from there, what are the best strategies we can apply? So with the less risky trade with higher profitability. So 9800. So what are the probability if I was bullish about the trend? So I'm expecting there will be a bullish. So because it keeps going up, last few 4 5 days it keeps going up. So now I'm decided, so this is bullish. So we will know that the strategy which we can use for a bearish also. So we can apply the bearish strategy as well as the bullish strategy. Both we can apply at the same time to get a sure shot profits, right? So bullish strategy. So for example, if the market is 948, if I'm bullish, I'm expecting there will be upside in the market. So from 900 and 908.42, so 9,900 or 10,000. This is my expectation. If market goes up, so these are the possibilities will happen in the market. So if it is going up, so how I can decide or how I can derive my strategy as a very less risky and more profitable strategy, or limited profit or limited risk, but the risk should be less than the reward, or the reward is higher than the risk. So that is what we have to understand. So the strategy which we can build now. So what I'm going to do here, so I am expecting bullish, right? So I'm expecting bullish from the market from 908.42, either it reaches 9,900 or 10,000. That is if the market is keeps going up. So these are the levels are possible. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to buy 9,900 call option. Okay, so let's do that. What should the strategy which will give you the 7th expiry contract, which I'm going to take 9,900 call option. So if I took the position, so my investment is required up to 7,500. My total risk for the trade is maximum risk is 7,500. My break even is up to 10,001. Whenever market reaches more than 10,001 rupee, I am going to start making profit in this particular transaction if I take a naked call option. So as per my strategy, so I took 100 rupees premium to reduce my risk. So what I will try to do, 10,000 rupees call option, will I go to short it out. I short selling this option. How much now? You see that my break even is now 9,935. Initially, when I took the position both at the same time, my strike price, so what I am doing here right now, I tell you clearly, 9,842 is the cost price. If I buy 9,900, if I buy 9,900 call, my cost price is, if I take 9,900 call, my cost price for the trade is 10,001. Okay, this is my break even point. But if I did the strategy, if I do the strategy, my break even also reduced and my expectation is bullish. So this is a bullish kind of trade where I have shorted, taken a long of 100 rupees at 9,900 call, and again I shorted 10,000 call. So in this particular trade, my maximum risk is up to minus 3.95% of my investment. What is the exact investment required for the trade? So let's show you. So what you think? So if I take a normal trade, that is a 9,900 call. So 9,900, my cost price is 10,001. But if I did the strategy, I'll take the 9,900 call buy and 10,000 call sell. So here I'll get my cost price at 9,935. Almost compared to this, I reduced my 70 rupees down for a cost price. And but the previous strategy is having unlimited profit but the maximum risk. But here we are taking the risk is limited and reward is maximum unlimited. Sorry, initial the first strategy naked call you got a unlimited. Here compared to the risk reward ratio 1:2 kind of trade, which will give you the nice result. So 2600 you are taking a risk and 4800 is what your reward up to 1:2 strategy. So this is one kind of bullish strategy. So I'm expecting if the bullish in the market. So same time if I expect bearish in the market, so what did the strategy which I did 9,300 when the market is trading 9,842, I'll take a 150 points away. And now if I bearish, so what I'm going to do it here. So if I bearish, I'll go for a 9,700 put. I will buy at 99. The same time 9,600 put, I'll go to short. The same strategy which I'm going to apply for a negative side, so the downside. Okay, if I'm going to do this strategy with the basis of both the sides, if I do the strategy by both the sides, but you have to understand if you do the both the strategy, your maximum risk should be 4,000 rupees when you got a maximum profit of 2,000 rupees. But you have to understand one important thing. So the margin required 1.2 lakhs and your break even both the sides 9964 and 9636. These are your break even points where the market moves this side or that side, both the sides you are going to make money. When the market goes below 9,636, you are going to, this what profitability, probability of profit is up to 68%, almost 70% of the chances this trade will win. But what is the drawback about this strategy? You have compared to the risk reward ratio, risk is higher than the reward. So only the drawback about this strategy, but this is the more probability. So let's show you that. If we already seen the call option where it gives you the exact point. So if I deleted the call option and if I do the put option sides, if you do the same strategy by put option sides, so what should be your profit? Same here right now. So when the market goes below 9,670, you are going to get your maximum profit. That is around 800. Almost market is 842 and 742, 130 points. If it is goes down, you are going to get a profit. So you have to understand one thing here: the 60,000 margin required for do the strategy, and the same strategy opposite side you can do. If you are bearish, both the 2000, and let's show you that what are the strategy which we can apply. Hello, yes, right. If I was bullish, okay, if I was bullish, I'm going to take 9,900 call and 10,000 call option short. This is what sell and this is what buy. Here I'm taking the risk of 2,000 rupees risk and with the 4,008k reward. So this is my trade while I'm bullish. If I was bearish about the trade, so what I'm going to take? So if here I am bearish, I'll take 9,700 put and 9,600 put, where I am taken this as my buy and this as my short. Okay, so in this trade my risk is to the trade again 2k and reward is 5k. Okay, here you see that. If I do the strategy in both at the same time, so non-directional view. One of the guy is asking about the non-directional view. So this is what bullish view, and this is what bearish view, and non-directional view. If I don't know the directional, non-directional view. So if you if you are seeing this strategy with a combined basis, so now you see that while I am doing the put options, only alone put options, and my profit of probability of profit is around 31%. Okay, if I do the both the strategy, my probability of profit is increased. But at the same time, you have to understand, if you do the both the strategy, if market goes on a side, but your maximum risk for the trade is 4000. 4k is maximum risk. So here your cost price is around 9935, and here your cost price for the trade is 9670. So if market ranges in between the level, you are going to lose the full amount. That is what your maximum risk of 4k. But if any one direction happen, so you are going to get, if it is a downside happen, you will be getting 5800 is your maximum profit, right? 5200. So if it is downside happen, you are going to get 1200 as a profit. So understand again, maybe little understand very clear. So what I'm telling you, if I do the both the strategy, if market goes below 9670, I'm going to get 5k plus profit in this put option side, but call option side I'm going to lose 2k. So finally 3k is my profit. And if it is market goes about to 9935, higher side, so here I'm going to get 4.8k as a profit, and the same time I'm going to lose 2k in this put side. So here also I will go to get a profit of 2.8k. So this is the strategy, and there I was updating you 9900 call option which I am going to buy. If I provide you that thing in total, so you will see the exact profit and loss, everything which is clearly shown. So that's a non-directional trade strategy which you can apply for a Nifty here. So probability of profit is around 68.47%. so that increases your profitability. I can start the profit making ability, right? 68%, and the maximum profit is 2600. There will be chances you are going to lose maximum of 4800, but 1,07,000 is margin required. You are going to get a 2% return per week. Okay, 2%. If loss happen, you are going to lose 3.7, but most of the time it will give you profit, because we know there will be a chances of market movement is around 60% of the time. It moves around 60 plus points, 650 points based on the option premium. So if market moves 600 point, means either market from this current market price is around 9840. If you add a 600, so 10,000 plus points, or minus 9200. So these are the expected range. So if you apply this strategy, sure shot you are going to get 2.6k profit with the investment of 1.2 lakhs. So that is around 2% of your investment, that will be sure shot profit. While if you are applying this strategy, 1.227 lakh is the total profit. So you can easily get this profit with a very best way. So it's this is a strategy which you can apply for a non-directional way. But here, if you know the direction, you can do any one part of this thing, and if you don't know this thing direction, so you can do all the things. But the chances for the profit is more than 80-90% about this strategy. It will give you the maximum profit, and maximum profit level for the market is 9600 and 600 level, 9690 level. It's a maximum profit level. In upside there will be a profitable 10,030, near about 10,000 is your maximum profit level. Once your most of the profit level in upside and downside will get you shortly. That's about this strategy, and if you have any other doubts on this strategy, you can comment it out. And this is the strategy which 100% sure shot you will be getting profit of this week expiry. For example, 2% per week, it's not a big deal, and your loss is not a unlimited. It's a loss also be fixed. Okay, so this strategy will be working strategy, which if you know the direction you can go for any single side. If you don't know the direction, you can go for a double side, will give you the minimum return with the minimum guarantee points. Thanks for watching this video, and anyone who interested to learn my paid strategy, you can contact me and learn my paid strategy. And that's about this video. Thank you for watching this thing, and thank you. And not yet subscribed, kindly make subscribe and share to your friends, and comment on this video if you have any doubt. Thanks for this thing.